Second duel of the night. We're doing it on Omega. I'm back with another ranked match. We're gonna lose that post. If you're new and like to see more videos, please subscribe and hit the notification bell. Thank you all for subscribing. If you want to duel me, be in the video, or want to see the deck list, see the description for more information. Enjoy the rest of the video. Let's look into the frames. Round 1. Dude! Oh, we got a donator here. You can see his I'm not a donator, so can't. This is just all default here. Let's see what we got here. Cyber emergency. And it made me go first. Oh. Probably got hand traps. He's probably got an beer or something. Could go that. Alpha. Tribute. Gamma. Special in defense. Activate effect. Add Benton. Zeta. Oh, that's a scoop. What was that? Come on. I don't even know what he's playing here. But I will go on the defense. Go like that. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3. Nibiru. Evenly matched, I think. Evenly matched. 1, 2, 3. Right. Nibiru. I don't know. Feel like Nibiru should be in here for some reason. Round 2. Dude! Oh, got the evenly. Probably gonna see some of his shiny cards. Okay, he's going first. He's got the hour clock. Hourglass. Hour clock? No, I don't want to say I got nib, because then he may want to just try to go full combo. What is going on here? Who are these? Lord of the Lair. The heck's going on here? What? Oh. Card from their top or bottom of their deck. Do I want to draw that again? I don't think I want to draw it again. So let's go into the bottom. Darkest Diablos effect. That's it? Oh. Okay. Okay. Cyber emergency. Alpha. Jerome Lockbird? That's okay. I can't add anything anymore. I could just go like that and go for Zeus. I want to get the Ben 10s. Dang. It's okay. I was gonna Vanity's Ruler pass, but that's okay. Gamma. Tribute, special, engrave, activate effect. Alpha, special summon from the grave and attack. No. Then Lyrisk with 2 materials, meaning 200 for each one, and can attack with how many materials it's got. It's got 4 now. 400. Battle. I could attack directly. Attack. No. It has 2 materials, so it could attack directly twice, even if there's a monster there. Okay, and we go to phase 2. Instead of attacking an Exe's monster, I can Exe Shogun. Divine Arsenal. AA Zeus Sky Thunder. And that's it. Good. Go. Let's do this. Flawless victory. Perfect. Comment, share. Like if you subbed it. Sub if you liked it. See you guys.